Okay, let's solve some more examples. For example here, to get from P to R, a park ranger had to walk along a path to Q and then to R. As you can see here, from P to R, that's it. P to a path to Q to R, yeah. What is the distance in a straight line from P to R? So we have this one. We call it Q though. And then we have this one. We have our R, if we want to use what we learned from previous examples. Then we have Q squared, it should be, is equal to R squared plus P squared minus 2PR or RP cosine Q. Then we have Q is the square root of R is 175 squared plus P is 63 squared minus 2 times 175 times 63 cosine 112 degrees. Okay, giving you my screen with my calculator. There you go. Then we have a square root of 175. Oh, my calculator is not that good. Squared plus 63 squared minus 2 times 175 times 63 times cosine 112. Then we get 207. It's about 207 meters. Q. Oh, P to R. PR. Okay. Another. Here is another. A golfer played his tee shot a distance of 220, as you can see here, to point A. Then he played a 165 meter 6 iron to the green. There you go. If the distance from tee to green is 340, determine the angle the golfer was offline with his tee shot. Okay. Then we're supposed to look for that. And then we have the cosine law once again. If we call this T, and we call this A, and we call this G, then we have T squared is equal to A squared plus G squared minus 2 AG cosine T. So if we subtract both sides of the equation by A squared and G squared minus A squared minus G squared, then we have T squared minus A squared minus G squared is equal to negative 2AG cosine T, because this is 0. And if we divide both sides of the equation by 2AG, then we have cosine T is equal to T squared, or cosine T, sorry, minus A squared minus G squared divided by 2AG. And our T now is equal to our cosine, and then our T squared is 165, and then we have A 340 squared, G is 220 squared divided by 2 times A is 340, G is 220. Okay, and then we will solve that by our calculator. We have arc cosine, 165 squared minus 340 squared minus 220 squared divided by 2 times 340 times 220. And we have, I forgot to tell you that it's minus there. Okay, then we have to change the -2. No, it is approximately 24 degrees. Approximately 24 degrees. Okay, I have some more examples here, but I think I stay there now because I'm going to solve 2 more. I plan to solve 2 examples in every video. So see you next time. Have a nice day.